chow fan in Chowking. So this is an experiment. Flavored chicken. So if you will try this, it's like you eat in Chowking. You can add some egg. You can play with it. You can play with the ingredients. So this is our finished product. Wow, the smell was so good. So if you want to know how to cook this special healthy recipe, watch this. Hello everyone. So for today's recipe, these are the ingredients. We have garlic, carrots, parsley, and ground chicken. So all of the ingredients will be cut into small pieces. And we need soy sauce, black pepper, salt, and some olive oil. So on the leaves, you can play with it. You can put different leaves like coriander or malunggay leaves, or this one parsley. And you can add some vegetable also, but now I will just use carrots. And also our leftover rice. Okay, let's start cooking. I have the pan here and I already put olive oil. So now I will put the garlic. And now we can put the ground chicken. You can use also pork or beef, ground beef or ground pork. But now I will use chicken. Now we can add also the carrots, and then we will just mix them until they are done, and then we can add the next ingredients. So make sure that they are already done, especially the chicken. The carrots, it's okay because we can eat it fresh. Okay, now that it's ready, we can add the black pepper and little salt. And we can add also our soy sauce. Just saute them. Let them simmer for a while, and then we will add our leftover rice. Now it's already cooked and done. We will add the leftover cooked rice. And then our parsley or our available leaves in your kitchen. Wow, look at that. Level up leftover rice. So now we just make them little hot and let them incorporate the flavors with the rice, and then it's done. We can eat. You can have some egg, fried egg, sunny side up here, and some sausage or spam, or you can have some hot dogs with it. You can eat it with it, or the dried fish in Philippines, or it's toyo. We call it toyo. It's very delicious. So it's very tasty and very healthy. Leftover recycled rice now. Your kids maybe also will like this. You must try this also, guys. Come on. So this is it, our finished product. It's like the chow fan in Chowking. So this is an experiment. Flavored chicken. So if you will try this, it's like you eat in Chowking. You can add some egg. You can play with it, you can play with the ingredients. So this is our finished product. Wow, the smell was so good. So good, so much. So you must try this, guys, and enjoy cooking. Happy eating. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, be the reason for others to smile. Bye bye.